Let's start with exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Is it? To find the remainder, equate g of x. What is g of x? G of x is equal to x plus 1. So equate g of x is equal to 0. So g of x is what? X plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it? X plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus will move on other side, then it will become minus. So x is equal to minus 1. Now find p of minus 1. Is it? P of minus 1. What is given as p? X cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1. In place of x, you have to write minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. The cube of minus is minus. The minus square of minus is plus. And minus 1 is minus 1. Is it? Okay. So multiply here. So it will be minus 1. Then it is 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 is minus 1 here. And 3 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1. So you will cancel out and 0. Is it? So p of minus 1 becomes 0. So the remainder is 0. So therefore we can say that x plus 1 is a remainder. Okay, we have to find remainder only. So remainder is 0. Is it in this case? Let's see. X minus 1 is equal to half. So g of x is x minus half. Equate g of x is equal to 0. So g of x is equal to 0. So x minus half is equal to 0. So x is equal to half. Now substitute p. Find out the value of p of half. If it is become 0, then the remainder. Let's see, find out and substitute and find out the value of the remainder. So substitute here x cube. So half cube plus 3 plus half square plus 3 half plus 1. If you simplify, what is the cube of a to 8? Is it? What is the square of 2? 4. So 1 by 8 plus here, if you open the bracket, it becomes 1 by 4. Here it is half plus 1. If you simplify it by taking LCM, what is the LCM of 8, 4, 2, here 1? Is it? Here 1. What is the LCM? 8. Is it? So 8 will be the LCM. By which number you will multiply here to get 8? It is already 8, so 8 1 here. 4, so you multiply with 2. 2, so you multiply with 4. 1, so you multiply with 8. So multiply with the numerator, so you get 1. 2 3 is 6, plus 4 3 is 12, 8 1 is 8. If you add it, you get 27 by 8. So the remainder is 27 by 8. Okay. Here third, p of x. So g of x. P of x is given as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x is equal to x. So if you equate g of x is equal to 0, then x will also become 0. So you have to find p of 0. So in place of x, you have to write 0. If you do so, in all three places, it is 1, 2, 3. X is there, it will become 0. Only 1 will be remain. So remainder is 1. Okay, so p of 0 is 0 cube is 0. 3 into 0 square is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. And 0 into 3 again it is 0, and this is 1. So all three become 0 and this is 1. So the remainder is 1. Now x is equal to pi. Is it? What is that? G of x. So g of x is equal to x plus pi. To find the remainder, equate g of x is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus pi. So substitute in the place of x minus pi. Is it? So p of minus pi is equal to minus pi cube. Again it is a odd number, so answer will be minus cube. It is a even number, so it will be plus. Is it? 3 into pi, so it is pi square. It is minus, so minus 3 pi. Is it? Okay. Now let's move on to fifth sum. g of x is given as 5 plus 2x. So g of x is 5 plus 2x. To find the remainder, equate g of x is equal to 0. So 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. Plus will move on other side, it will become minus. So 2x. So 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Is it? So substitute this in the value, this value as x in this p of x. So p minus 5 by 2. If you open the bracket, minus is an odd number again, so it is minus 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. 2 into 2 into 2, so it is 8. Square of it, so open the bracket, is 25 by 4. 3 is it 3 into 25 by 4. It is minus 5 into 3, so minus 15, so minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Again you have to take LCM. So here is LCM of 8, 4, 2, is it 1. What is LCM? 8. So by which number you will multiply 8 to get 8? 1. By which number you will multiply 4 to get 8? 2. By which number you will multiply 2 to get 8? 4. And which number you will multiply 1 to get 8? 8. So this number has to be multiplied with the numerator. What is the numerator? 125. Is it? Okay. So you have to multiply 1 with 125. So minus 125. 2 with 75. So it is 150. And 4 with 15 is minus 60. And 8 with 1 is plus 8. So add the same sign. Which is the same sign? Minus 125 and minus 60. So add these two. So minus 185. And add plus sign. 150 plus 8 is 158. Plus minus minus. Is it? If you subtract, you will get minus 27 by 8. So the remainder is minus 27 by 8. Let's move on to second question. Find the remainder 1 when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So g of x is what given us? G of x is equal to x minus a. So g of x is equal to x minus a. To find the remainder, equate g of x is equal to 0. So g of x is equal to 0 means x minus a is equal to 0. So x is equal to a. Is it? So you have to find what is p of a. So p of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. So a cube. Now a square into a, it is again minus a cube. Now 6 into a is 6a and minus a. So a cube and minus a cube plus a cube will cancel out. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is, 6 minus 1 is 5. So it is 5a. So the remainder is 5a. Let's move on to question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of this polynomials 3x cube plus 7x. So p of x is what? 3x cube plus 7x. So px is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. What is gx? Gx 7 plus 3x. Is it? Equating g of x is equal to 0. So 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 7 because it is a plus. If it moves on to other side, it will become minus. So 3x is equal to minus 7. So x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. Substitute x as minus 7 by 3. So 3 minus 7 by 3 raised to cube plus 7 in the bracket minus 7 by 3. Is it? So multiply 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is 343 and 3 into 3 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Since this is an odd number, it will be minus 343 upon 27. Here it is minus, so plus into minus will become minus. So 7 7s are 49. So 49 minus upon 3. Is it? Multiply with this minus sign. So minus 49 by 3. Here minus 343 upon 9. LCM is 9. So by which number you will multiply here? With 3. Is it? To get 9. So multiply this 3 with 49. So 147. And here it is minus 343. So minus minus, you have to add it, same sign, add it and put the same sign whatever is there. So if you add it, you will get minus 490 upon 9. Is it? So that is the remainder. So what we get, since the remainder is not 0, since the remainder is not 0, so 7 plus 3x is not the factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. Okay.